Hi and hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Dr. Vin Hardy. Today I will tell you about a medicine named Monticel, composed of a formula you can see here, name written Montelocast 10 milligram sodium. I will tell you about its uses, side effects, precautions. Before going further, I will request you to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon so you can keep watching this kind of videos here. Now come to its uses. Montelocast is used to control and prevent symptoms caused by asthma, such as wheezing and shortness of breath. It is also used before exercise to prevent breathing problems during exercise. This medication can help decrease the number of times you need to use your quick relief inhaler. Montelocast Montelocast is also used to relieve symptoms of hay fever and allergic rhinitis such as sneezing, stuffy, runny, itchy nose. Since there are other allergy medications that may be safer, see also warning section. This medication should be used for this condition only when you cannot take other allergy medications or they do not work well. This medication must be used regularly to be effective. It does not work right away and should not be used to relieve sudden asthma attacks or breathing problems. If an asthma attack or sudden shortness of breath occurs, use your quick relief inhaler as prescribed. This drug works by blocking certain natural substances that may cause or worsen asthma and allergies. It helps makes breathing easier by reducing swelling inflammation in the airways. How to use Montelocast oral. Read the medication guide provided by your pharmacist before you start taking Montelocast and each time you get a refill. If you have any questions, ask your doctor or pharmacist. Take this medication by mouth with or without food as directed by your doctor. The dosage is based on your age and medical condition. If you are using the chewable tablets, chew them thoroughly before swallowing. If your child cannot safely chew and swallow them, consult the doctor or pharmacist for advice. Take this medication at the same time each day. If you are taking this medication for asthma or for both asthma and allergies, take your dose in the evening. Now, more further, I will tell you, if you are taking Montelocast to prevent only allergies, take your dose either in the morning or the evening. Now, come to its side effects. Remember that your doctor has prescribed this medication because he or she has judged that the benefit of you is greater than the risk of side effects. Now going further, I will tell you many people using this medication do not have serious side effects. Tell your doctor right away if you have any serious side effects, including we can say numbness, tingling, shooting pain in the arms or legs, sinus pain, swelling, muscle weakness, controlled muscle movements, shuddering. A very serious allergic reaction to this drug is rare. However, get medical help right away if you notice any symptoms of a serious allergic reaction, including rash, itching, swelling, especially of the face, tongue, throat, severe dizziness, trouble breathing. Now going further, this is not a complete list of possible side effects. If you notice other effects not listed above, contact your doctor or pharmacist. Hope you guys find this video informative. If you like it, share it with your friends and subscribe my channel so you can keep watching this kind of videos. Like the press button too, share it with your friends. See you in next video. Till then, take care of yourself. Bye bye.